The day at the clinic. I wasn't feeling well, so my friend Leo took me to the clinic. He said,
"Let the doctor help you."
The doctor looked at me and smiled.
"Let me check your lungs. Can you breathe for me?"
He listened carefully.
"I think there's a small infection, but don't worry. We can fix it."
Then a nurse came in. I liked her. She was very kind. She said,
"I will give you a vitamin shot. It helps the muscles and makes the body stronger."
I asked, "Do I need a vaccine too?"
"Not today, but I'll explain it to the doctor."
In the next room, I saw Leo talking to another doctor. I asked, "Is that your brother?"
Yes. He hurt his hip playing soccer. The doctor is helping him now.
Then a woman walked in with 2 kids. The nurse said,
"Let them sit here."
She gave candy to them and smiled at them. I watched the nurse and said to Leo, "She made a good impression on me." Leo laughed.
She gave candy to them, but nothing to us.
"Be nice," I said. She helped her, she helped him, she helped me, and she helped you too. Leo smiled.
You're right. People say she can heal anyone. Supposedly, she even helped a dog last week.
We both laughed. My arm felt a little swollen, but I was happy. I think the vitamin is already helping me, I said.
Like and subscribe to the channel.